Hi, in this video we are going to see what are the logical tests available in Microsoft Excel. So I have opened my workbook. In logical test we are going to discuss 6 logical tests. First one is equal to sign, right? Not equal to, so this is the not equal to sign. Less than equal to and greater than equal to, less than and greater than. Okay, so to understand what is like this symbol, right, which one is the greater and which one is less, is there very easy method we can identify it. Say for example, I take this example. Okay, so one bird is there and it's open its mouth. Okay, it's open mouth on the wherever bigger fish is there. So this fish is bigger, it's getting open here. So if, right, so if you observe this symbol, if two value is written, so 12 into 12 and this one, right? So this is what is represented as of now. Mouth is open, so this statement is true. Okay, if I make this one like this, it will be false. So hope you understand this. Now we'll go to our topic. For example, to understand what is equal to the test is, if there is two value in the cell, let it be anything. If both are equal, the result will come as a true or it will be false. For example, if I am putting on the cell C as a 20 and cell 23, if I am putting the logical test as equal C3 equal to D3, I am getting result as a false because both are the not equal. If I change to the 20, it become true. I am putting on Control Z, undo, and putting 23 here. So both the cases, when value of for both the cells are equal, it will get. So for example, I have some test here, Daksh, and I am putting another Daksh. Okay, since both are the same value, having same value, the result is true. So it will result for all these tests, the result we will be getting either true or false, right? Now next is not equal to. So not equal to opposite to equal. If both the value are not same, then it will be result will become as a true. Say for example, if I have in cell C1 here we have 24 and here we have 30, and if I am putting not equal to sign, this cell not equal to this, if I am clicking that, true, it's a true because both are not same. So I am getting a result as a true. If I change to the 30 and 30, if you observe, it is a coming as false. Again I'm changing to this one. Again I am going to put a Daksh. Okay, and if I put the value is not, if I again put Daksh here, it will become as a false. Okay, so not equal to just opposite to the this equal to sign. Okay, then we have next we have less than equal to. If any value is less than or equal to, then the statement will be true. If it is not, then statement will be false. So for example, if we have less than equal to, okay, so less than equal to, for example, I am putting here as a 50 and I am putting here as a 25 here, and I am putting equal to, like less than, applying less than equal to logic here. So I am C equal to less than, so C is a bigger, right? So less than equal to, less than equal to, what is the D? So 25 is, as of now, if I put 10, right, less than equal to, So 10 is less than or equal to, it is lesser, right? If I put till 24, so value is there, 25 value is there, 26 it got changed because till 25 is taking, okay. And less than equal to only can be utilized on the numerics, okay. We cannot have on the test. Now another one, say for example, if we have value as 200 and till what value it will be true. If I put something till 200 it will be true, right? But in the case I change to 201, what will be happen? You just see, because whatever the value here in the column C, it should be lesser than whatever we have mentioned, that is the less than or equal to. So it is a less than equal to. If I put as 202 here, it will become false. So hope you understand this one. Next we have greater than equal to. It is just opposite to that, and it will be similar. We can put like, as of now I am putting value as 200 here, then value I am putting as 100 and applying formula greater than equal to this cell, and I got value because it is a greater than this, right? If I change any value here as till 100, value will be 2 only, but if I put 99 it will be become false. If here I put as 50, because value get lesser than this and it become true, till 99 it will be working, but other than that it will be not working. If I put here as 98, sorry, yeah, it should be here 99, and here if I put 98 it will become false. Now less than, what is the less than symbol? This one till, like here we were, when we were discussing till equal to, right? Till equal to anything lesser than or equal to, it will be here, but it will calculate here only lesser than. So say for example, if I have 100 here and I put till 99 and put then this one less than this, so this will become as if it will give false result, okay, because 100 is not lesser than that, okay. If I put 100, again it will be false only, okay, but I put 101, it will become true. So this is the less than. Whatever the value is there, it should be lesser than that. Then we have greater than, opposite to lesser than. If I again put here the same thing, okay, and I put the symbol as greater than, and if you see, the result become false. So in this case, value of C should be greater than 100. If I put 101, you just see that it become false only. 102, it will become true. So any value, but it should be greater than the 101. So hope you understand this. What is the equal to, not equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to, and less than and greater than. So these function, these logical symbols we will be using in our upcoming videos, like when we apply any condition, right? Based on the condition, based on the value, we are getting some true and false result, and based on that it will be working, and it will create more clarity on that when we will be looking at the if function. And in this video we will be going to cover if function only. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.